the SADC region will for the third time collectively renew the call for the removal of all sanctions imposed on Zimbabwe. This follows the bold and courageous decision by the 39th Summit of SADC Heads of State and Government, held in August 2019, to designate 25 October as the date on which the SADC region would each year jointly call for the unconditional removal of the illegal sanctions and all forms of coercive measures against Zimbabwe. More recently, the illegal sanctions adversely affected our country's ability to respond to climate change-induced natural resources, natural disasters, and the COVID-19 pandemic. As a country, we hold this year's Anti-Sanctions Day under the theme, the quote, "Friend to all, enemy to none, forging ahead and enhancing innovation and productivity in the adversity of sanctions," end of quote. My government stands ready to strengthen cooperation with all in pursuit of our national aspirations and common global interests. It is my fervent hope that the dialogue with the European Union will remain constructive and proceed in the spirit of equal partnership for the mutual benefit of our people. My government is also ready to enter into similar structured dialogues with the United Kingdom and the United States of America. Against this background of the various engagement and re-engagement processes, we view the continued renewal and, in some cases, imposition of fresh sanctions on Zimbabwe as most unfortunate and regrettable. In spite of the constraining efforts of the illegal economic sanctions, my government has taken a deliberate stance to accelerate the implementation of various development projects throughout the country, guided by our national development strategy, as well as our collective desire to meet milestones towards the achievement of SADC's Vision 2050, the African Union's Agenda 2063, and United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. I'm also deeply humbled by the immense support and solidarity of the SADC heads of state and government and other progressive world leaders and organizations who have joined our call for the removal of the illegal and debilitating sanctions imposed on our nation. Sanctions on Zimbabwe are illegal, unfair, and unjustifiable. The illegal sanctions on Zimbabwe must go now, notwithstanding the concerted efforts by our detractors to derail our development agenda. Let us remain united and peaceful. We are winning against these sanctions. Victory is indeed certain. God bless you all. God bless Zimbabwe. I thank you.